Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to scan IPv6 address. So you might encounter a situation where you're getting scanned or you're getting a signal from a IPv6 address and you won't be able to do it the normal way, I guess, with an IPv4 address. You would go nmap and I just put in the, let's say, 192.168.0.1. So that's an IPv4 address. But an IPv6 address looks like this. Let me show you. So if you're getting like something like this, and you try to scan it the normal way that you would with a IPv4 address, let me show you what happens. See, it won't work, so you have to do it a specific way. So what you want to do is, here, let me just enlarge this a little bit so you can see it. So just gonna scan myself real quick. You do nmap -6 and then put in the IPv6 address. I'm just gonna paste it in there since I already have it copied. And do -P1 to 65535. So that's specifying the ports that you want to scan for. You could change that if you want, but I'm just including all the ports available. And then -PN in case the host is not broadcasting or showing itself as offline. You want to do -PN so it scans it anyways. Hit enter. We'll try to scan it. Now, let me see real quick what's giving me this. Oh, okay. Gotta put a space after the P. So, -P and then 1265535 -PN. Okay. Invalid argument. Let me try without all this and just do it that way. Okay. -PN. Okay, so it did scan it, but I think because of my firewall configurations, it's giving me this like strange read error, but it did say that it scanned this 1,000 ports and they're all in ignored states, so that's probably why it's giving me this. But there you go, guys. That's how you scan an IPv6 address. So use that as you will. Okay, catch you later.